In this session, we'll show you how to add multiple video devices, including a TV tuner, a video switcher, and a display, and how MirrorConnect generates an intuitive user interface to control them. The TV tuner comes in on input 1 of the video switcher, and output 1 of the video switcher is connected to HDMI 1 on the display. To get started, we'll create our organization site and room in Mirror Portal. If you have a MirrorConnect appliance, you can pair it to your room as described in our Getting Started video. If you don't have a MirrorConnect appliance yet, you can use our UI Preview feature to experience the entire system in your browser. In this example, we won't use a real MirrorConnect, we'll use the UI Preview. Click Preview MirrorConnect in a browser, which will open another browser tab so you can follow along. And we'll organize our browser tabs so we can see both at the same time. We'll start by adding a TV tuner. Click Add and navigate to the TV tuners and select your brand and type. Many of the tuners are controlled with an IP to infrared interface, where MirrorConnect sends commands to the tuner over the network and they're translated into compatible IR signals. Once we've found the TV tuner we want to add, we can enter the IP address of the tuner or the IP address of the infrared interface and specify which IR port we're going to use on that device. You can click Simulate Equipment to have an IP address added automatically to the system. And if you have questions, you can check the integration guide link to bring up more information. Navigate to the Video Inputs tab where you can select an icon, change the label, and add a description. And enter a name in case you want to add more tuners in the future. You can also navigate to Channel Favorites and add channel shortcuts to make it easy to change channels on the tuner. Once you've added the tuner, the MirrorConnect UI will update with the user interface for that tuner. Now we'll add a video switcher and configure the inputs on the video switcher for local and other external equipment. In this example, we'll select a Lightware video switcher and choose Simulate. On the Video Inputs tab, we'll enable the first HDMI input. Since the TV tuner is connected to input 1, we'll click Use Sources Connected to Other Equipment. Because there's only one other device in the system, the TV tuner is selected automatically. Scroll down to HDMI 2 and enable that input. And we'll call it a local input. This could be a connection on a table or a faceplate on the wall. We can add an optional description. And when done adding inputs to the video switcher, we'll select Add Equipment. Now we'll add a display to the system. In this example, we'll choose an LG display. We can enter the IP address of the display or choose Simulate Equipment. And we'll choose Simulate Equipment here. Next, we'll select the Video Inputs tab. And just like with the video switcher, we'll enable an input. In this case, HDMI 1. And since we want to connect output HDMI 1 from the video switcher to the display's HDMI 1 input, once again, we'll click Use Sources Connected to Other Equipment. We'll select the Lightware video switcher. We'll select the HDMI 1 output that's wired to the display. And you can also enter a label for this display, which is useful if you have multiple displays in the room. The video sources available on the display are exactly the sources previously defined for the video switcher and TV tuner. The order of the video inputs can be changed by clicking and dragging on the preview of the display menu. Once you press Add Equipment, the user interface updates to show the display's power button and any options for the display, such as blank for blanking the display. The display's options, if there are any, can be configured on the Options tab for the display. When a user selects a video source using MirrorConnect, the video switcher is told to switch that input to output HDMI 1 and the display is told to switch to that selected input that's connected to the video switcher. Any commands for the TV tuner are sent directly to the TV tuner. If you've created the system and see more than one display tab, make sure you've used the Use Sources Connected to Other Equipment option for the output of the TV tuner to the input of the video switcher, and then for the output of the video switcher to the input on the display as shown in our system diagram. Now you've created your first system with a TV tuner, a video switcher, and a display, and created a very user-friendly interface for your end customers. See our other training videos for how to add more equipment or how to customize the visual theme with a background image and colors and logo.